Ever feel like you're stuck in an online traffic jam? You watch everyone else zoom by. People launching online stores, editing videos, selling courses, while you're just sitting there, wondering, what would I even do? Today, I'll help you figure out exactly where you fit in the digital economy, even if you think you have zero skills or experience. Because in 2026, there's absolutely a place for you to thrive online. You might be thinking, I'm not tech savvy, I can't code, I'm not an influencer. But here's the truth. The digital economy isn't just for programmers or TikTok stars. It's for problem solvers. It's about identifying needs and creating innovative solutions. Let's bust one of the biggest lies in online business. Follow your passion. Sounds inspiring, right? But passion is a terrible business plan. The digital economy doesn't run on passion. It runs on solving problems. Successful ventures address real-world needs. Remember that. Your perfect niche isn't about what you love most. It's about what you don't hate doing consistently and what helps others. Consider what you're good at, what problems you can solve, and what people are willing to pay for. That's where your ideal niche truly lies. Here's your new roadmap. Your profitable niche sits right where your skills meet someone else's problem. It's called the Skill Plus Problem Equation. Let's find your hidden skills. These aren't just job titles, they're everyday talents. Maybe you're the friend who plans every trip. That's logistics and research, a skill used by many small business owners. Perhaps you make messy spreadsheets beautiful. That's data organization, highly demanded in freelance gigs. Or you're the go-to tech helper. That's troubleshooting, aligning with a growing IT support market. Now match them to real problems. Head to Reddit with over 1.2 billion monthly visits, Amazon reviews, or Facebook groups with over 1.8 billion users. What are people complaining about? What do they struggle with? That's your gold mine. See that? A skill like spreadsheet management can solve freelancers' expense tracking problems, leading to niches like budget templates or virtual assistant services. You just turned a boring skill into a money-making niche. Now that you've found your niche idea, let's explore turning it into a digital hustle. There are 3 main paths you can take. Focus on one to begin. Path 1 is the doer. Sell your skill directly, whether it's freelancing, virtual assisting, or graphic design. This is often the fastest way to generate income, as you trade your time for money while building experience. Path 2 is the teacher. Package your knowledge into digital products. This could include mini courses, ebooks, or templates. It's a powerful way to build passive income. Path 3 is the curator. Build an audience around your taste and recommendations. You might review gear or recommend products. Monetization comes through affiliate links or sponsorships. Remember, you don't need to commit forever. The most important step is to pick one and begin today. Before you go deep, let's test your idea. Here's the 5-minute profitability check. Search your idea on Google. For example, search virtual assistant for photographers. If you see ads, good news. That means real businesses are spending money in that niche. Find 3 people doing something similar. Are they active? Do they have clients? Great. Competition means demand. Use Google Trends. Is your topic growing? Perfect. You're catching a wave, not paddling in a pond. Overall, a positive profit test predicts a high success rate in early validation stages, emphasizing data over intuition. Here's the secret to beating analysis paralysis. Stop researching, start doing. You don't need a perfect plan, just a 30-day mission. Pick one idea, give it 30 days. If you're a doer, get one paying client, even for $20. If you're a teacher, finish your first outline and sell one pre-order. If you're a curator, post 10 times, get 10 comments. At the end of 30 days, you'll either have momentum or clarity. Both are wins. Because you can't steer a parked car, but you can always pivot once you're moving. Your profitable niche isn't out there waiting for someone smarter. It's waiting for you to start. So, what's one hidden skill you have? Drop it in the comments and let's brainstorm how it could become your 2026 side hustle. And oh, lest I forget, I've posted a link to the cheat code for this process in the description section. Go check it out and use it as your guide on this journey. Like this video if it gave you clarity, subscribe for more step-by-step digital income guides, and remember, your first dollar online starts with your first step.